Hi there. My name is Bill Inman. I'd like to talk with you today about an important topic. I want to talk to you today about how easy it is to get from text to a knowledge graph. It's something that can be literally done in seconds, but I want to demonstrate this for you very shortly. Let's start with what we're going to be doing. Let me show you. Here we have a bunch of medical records, and let's take a look at the medical record. This is in the form of text. This is what a doctor might write as he is seeing you in your office visit. And so we have history of present illness, social history, patient comes from a middle economic social background, allergies, medication assessments, plan, etc., and so forth. And so this is what a medical record looks like. So what we're going to do is to go look into the medical record, find out what information is important, take that information, put it into a database, and turn it into a knowledge graph. And I'm going to show you how easy and how fast it is to do this. So let's go ahead and start with what we are going to do. The first place you want to start is to go and tell the people, the system, what needs to be done with your data. And so here we see we want to do an analysis on diabetes. We could be doing an analysis on lots of other things, but today we're going to choose diabetes. Then we're going to tell the system to process our files. It's as simple as that. I take that back. You have to go and select the files that you want to be processed. And after you've selected the files you want to process, then you tell the system to process your files. And that's easy to do. After you've done that, what you end up with is something that looks like this. This is a database that has been created from the data that we have. The database contains the words that were found, the classification of the words that were found, whether there was negation in the words, and other information such as dosages and the type of medication, etc., and so forth. So anything that was in the medical record, medications, procedures, diagnosis, symptoms, medical history, all of those things that are found in the medical record are picked up and put into a standard database. And this is what the database looks like. After we've done that, we then go and let me get out of here really quickly for you. We then go and create our knowledge graph. And so this is the knowledge graph that we have created from the diabetic information that we've been discussing. And once you have your knowledge graph created, that is what you can use for analysis. Now, how long does all of this take? In order to process the information that I've talked about here, it takes maybe 1 or 2 minutes. And we're not talking months, we're not talking weeks, we're not talking having to do a bunch of analytical processing. We're talking about being able to go from raw text to a knowledge graph very simply and very quickly. So I hope you've enjoyed this presentation. This is just a word on how easy it is to get into a knowledge graph from raw text, such as a medical record. Thank you for your time and attention.